How to fix microphone not working on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the easy way to fix microphone not working on Android. Do watch the video till the end and subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, go ahead and open settings on your Android phone. Scroll down, tap apps, tap app management. Using the search bar at top of the screen, type in phone. Open phone, scroll down, tap on storage uses and clear cache, as well as tap on the clear data, and this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Tap on the delete button and clear data. Tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the apps permission of phone, especially the microphone. Go back and tap on force stop, and now tap on force stop again. Once you are done with that, get back to the settings page. On the settings page, tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in permission manager. And here we got, tap on it. Here we have the option for microphone access. So when this is off, all apps and services will not be able to use the microphone. Make sure to enable microphone access button. Go back to the home screen of your device and lastly restart your device, holding on your power button and releasing it. When you do that, you will get the option to restart. And simply by clicking on restart, you need to restart the device, which will fix the Android microphone not working well and it will start working. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.